Welcome to the video install guide for the Audi C5 platform. Remove the side dash cover. Use a trim pry tool if necessary. Remove vent trim piece. Remove vent slats to access tab holes. Release the clips. Once you have released the upper and lower tabs, pull out the vent. Unplug the connector. If you did not purchase your unit pre-installed in an OEM vent housing, please visit P3Cars.com for vent install PDF and continue from this point once installed. Feed display cable through the dash and out the side. Reconnect lighting connector. It should click into lock position. Plug OBD2 connector into vehicle. Press firmly to ensure it is fully connected. Route the cable up and behind the trim panel and into the fuse box area. Connect the display cable to the control box. Connect the harness to the control box and tighten. Before reassembly of the dash, start car to check functionality. Reinstall vent into dash until all retainer clips make firm positive contact. Tuck wires and control box into fuse box area. Replace fuse box cover panel. Now you're ready to enjoy your P3Cars vent integrated digital interface. P3Cars, precision, passion, performance.